Detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi attended the Asean-India summit at Jakarta in Indonesia today morning. Prime Minister arrived in Jakarta in the wee hours today to attend the Asean-India summit and the East Asia summit. In his remarks at the 20th Asean-India summit, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said ASEAN is central pillar of India's Act East policy and has an important place in India's Indo-Pacific initiative. He also called for amplifying the voice of the global South. The Prime Minister said the history and geography unites India and ASEAN. Mr. Modi said along with it, the shared values, regional integration and the shared beliefs in peace, prosperity and a multipolar world also unite India and ASEAN.
भारत आसियान फ्रेंडशिप ईयर मनाया और आपसी संबंधों को एक कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव स्ट्रेटेजिक पार्टनरशिप का रूप दिया। आज वैश्विक अनिश्चितताओं के माहौल में भी हर क्षेत्र में हमारे आपसी सहयोग में लगातार प्रगति हो रही है। यह हमारे संबंधों की ताकत और रेजिलियंस का प्रमाण है।